So in this episode of Just Keep Digging, we have all sorts. We've got riding, we've got building, we've got flying cameras, we've got everything. So grab a cup of tea or grab a beer, put your feet up and enjoy the next 15 minutes of good times. So, after a bit of tinkering, the first two of the Corona coaster are actually running pretty sweet. So the obvious question really is what comes next. Originally we were going to cut back into the eye line, but it kind of links up better to a bit of a fun roller section through the trees, so that's what we thought we'd do.
Rastafari.
Yeah.
Jordan's got some pretty good skills with that drone. Go and check out his YouTube channel. I'll put a link to it in the description below. And yeah, check him out on Instagram as well. He's an awesome dude. We're looking forward to doing more together in the future. After the sweet rollers we made earlier on, we've got quite a tight corner to make. It's pretty difficult to build berms out of sand, so we've moved in some of our best dirt from the other corner of the trails in the hope of building something that holds together. Let's give it a go.
All went in my shoes, that one. Okay.
Get a lot more work done within those games.
Yeah, boy! Oh yeah, even the lines look sick.
Shovel there.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
Oh, hey. Bob.
Will wanted to tweak the tree-to-tree line. At the minute he was a bit worried that people were cheating. So here you'll see the red straight line. That's not the way he wanted you to go. He wants you to go on the green line and take a kind of weird funky surface line into it that actually makes it feel loads better. So what he's going to do, he's going to bring this edge in, and then that's going to force you pretty much to go the way he wants you to and ride it the way it should be ridden.
he's bumping again. Bumping. Oh, yep. Get a marker pen and put a cross and then, or slash MTB.
I love my man bun.
I love my man bun. You love my man bun.
I'm saying nothing.
Show no affection, well neither do you. Draw me out like a picture, then tear me in two. Do I look troubled? Do I look blue? Can't get through to me, should've told me the truth. And everything's meant to be the same. Sorry, I learned from my mistakes. It's getting cold on the outside, but this is where I choose. And bitter things start to taste nice. Yes, I changed my point of view. Look on the bright side. At least it's overdue. Said we had a connection, but you know it ain't true. You've already left me, I came back for you. You look so troubled, you look so blue. Won't get through to me, should've told me the truth. And everything's meant to be the same. I'm sorry, I learned from my mistakes. It's getting cold on the outside, but this is where I choose. The bitter things start to taste nice. Yes, I changed my point of view. Look on the bright side. At least it's alright, you. Cold on the outside, but this is where I choose. And bitter things start to taste nice. Yes, I changed my point of view. But look on the bright side. You look on the bright side. You look on the bright side. At least it don't hurt.
Yo!
Peter Stringfellow's jockstrap. It costs a lot at auction. A little bit of poo came out then.